Hello, hello, hello. Ayan, so nandito na tayo sa Magellan's Cross. Katapat lang niya yung Basilica de Santo Niño. So madami mga turistang nagpupunta dito kasi it's Magellan's Cross. So mga nakakaalam ko ng significance ng Magellan's Cross, alam mo ba?
No.
Hindi. So,
pero mga hindi nagre-research.
Oo. Pero importante ata siya sa mga taga Cebu or sa mga Pilipino. Ayan. So Pilipino naman tayo, di ba?
Google nyo na lang.
Yan, yung history ni Magellan. Pero, I think Cebu is the oldest city, no? Dito sa Philippines, sa pagkakatanda ko sa subject natin. Kung hindi, I'm so sorry sa teacher ko nung high school. Kung hindi ko na natatandaan. Yun lang. So, madaming tao dito. Madami ding mga vendors.
Sila lola nung
ayun, nasa loob sila. Kukuhaan din namin yung loob later. Madaming mga vendors dito. Madaming nagbebenta ng mga kandila, mga souvenirs, magnets. So, sobrang daming tao. Tapos yung namin, van driver namin, sabi niya, be careful here because there's a lot of pickpockets. So, ingat lang din, no? Sayang yung mga ganong experiences we don't want to happen. So, ingat lang din sa mga valuables ninyo kapag nandito kayo. Okay, so pakita muna natin, tingnan muna natin sa loob, and then we'll let you know. Libre pa lang entrance dito, di ba?
Yes.
Wala mga entrance. Okay, see you later! The cross was planted by Portuguese explorer Ferdinand Magellan in 1521, symbolizing the arrival of Christianity in the Philippines. It is considered one of the country's oldest and most significant Christian landmarks. The original cross is believed to be encased inside a larger cross made of tindalo wood. This was done to protect it as the pieces were chipped off by devotees who believed that the wood has miraculous powers. Thank you nga pala sa lahat ng nanonood ng videos ng Traveling Lola. If you like our video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel to help our channel grow. You can also share our videos to your family and friends if they like food and travel videos, especially if they travel with senior citizens. Inside the chapel, look up to see the stunning ceiling mural. It depicts Magellan's arrival and the baptism of Raja Humabon and Queen Juana, Cebu's ruler, symbolizing the start of Christianity in the region. And finally, napagod na kami kakaikot dito sa Cebu at ang final stop natin is sa NUSTAR. NUSTAR is one of Cebu's newest hotel and casino. Dito namin napili as the last stop of our tour kasi magdi-dinner tayo dito. Nagpa-reserve kami ng buffet dinner sa Philly Cafe, yung buffet nila doon. NUSTAR is Cebu's first integrated resort and one of the largest in the Philippines. It includes a luxury hotel, a massive casino, and multiple entertainment and dining options, making it a major attraction in the Visayas region. The resort is situated on Kawit Island, offering stunning views of the Mactan Channel and the Cebu cityscape. Visitors can enjoy beautiful ocean views right from your hotel, making a unique scenic experience. NUSTAR isn't just about luxury and gaming. It has a grand theater, high-end shopping, and a wide range of international dining options. With its entertainment and culinary offerings, it's designed to be a one-stop destination for travelers looking for excitement and relaxation. Wey! Ni hao! Nandito na kami ngayon sa NUSTAR. Dito sa Cebu pa rin tayo. So, NUSTAR is yung hotel and casino nila. Magulo, madaming tao, madaming casino, madaming kainan. Lilibutin din natin siya para makita nyo kung ano itsura dito sa NUSTAR. So, kung napanood nyo yung Okada vlog namin, mahilig kami mag-bingo. Hindi ko alam kung may bingo dito.
Oh, sana may bingo para masaya. Kasi
Oo.
hindi kami marunong mag-ano.
Oo, yung mga kasi-kasino,
Oo.
yung mga 1,000 gone in 60 seconds lang. Yung mga ganun. So, sana may...
60 seconds lang yung pen.
Oo nga, so sana may bingo dito. Pero yan, lilibutin natin dito. Tapos later, magdi-dinner tayo sa Fina, which is a buffet
Fina or
dinner.
Philly?
Ay, Philly pala, sorry.
Oo.
Fina pala yung kanina na
Oo.
ano.
Tama. Meron kasing Fina na restaurant.
Oo.
Meron ding Philly.
Philly na ano, yung buffet, yung hotel. Yan. So, dun naman tayo magdi-dinner later. So, ikutin muna natin dito sa New Star and then
Yung The Mall.
the mall. Ayan, sama kayo sa amin. At pagkatapos namin mag-ikot inside New Star, nagutom na kami and it's already time for our reservation dito sa Philly Cafe. So magbo-buffet dinner tayo with the whole family. It is our final night dito sa Cebu and then tomorrow lilipad na kami back to Manila and the rest of our family lilipad na rin papuntang Camiguin. Philly Cafe embraces Filipino culture in its ambience, design, and menu. From the decor to the flavors, it celebrates the richness of Philippine heritage with a modern twist.
This is the Korean section. Side dishes. Fermented.
Known for its luxurious buffet, Philly Cafe offers a wide range of dishes from Filipino favorites to international cuisine. Guests can enjoy everything from lechon and adobo to sushi and pasta, making it a top dining destination in Cebu.
Yan, ito yung Korean barbecue. May beef. Yung seafood section. Cook na. Oh, may baked mussels, buttered garlic. Oh, ang dami crab. Ang laki ng shrimp. Salt and pepper chicken. May baked egg. Oh, pork adobo and coconut milk. And there's pizza. And then this is the sauces. I don't know what these are. Mga chicharon. And roasted beef. Here is the pasta. I think this is the Indian section. Ooh, wow. Try natin yung mga yan. This is crispy pata. Ooh, they have manga. May bagoong. And manga. Oh, nice. Oh, baba. Rice. Dessert section. Halo halo, I think. And these are the bread and Rice Krispies Biko. Puto flan. Maha. They also have different kinds of bread. So, meron silang Spanish bread, ube pandesal, bukayo. Is that pandikoko? Ooh. Mini rye bread, multi-seed sesame bread, shibata bread. On the other side, we have mungo bread, monay, star bread, kababayan. Simple bread, soft rolls, and then these are the pastries, cakes, dessert, raspberry white chocolate. Wow, dami yung choices, guys. Blueberry panna cotta. Kaya guys, ano mga gusto nyo dessert? Cute. They even have their own ice candies. Ito yung fruit section. More cakes. Mango selections. So, different types of dessert na made from mangoes. Ayan. More desserts. Mga Hainanese chicken, rice. What does it look like? Okay. Soy chicken. Mga chicken feet. Mga Chinese. Oh, eat. And then siomai. Okay.
Ayan ang mga lola. Kumukuha na sila ng buffet. So, nasa Asian section kami right now. Marami naman siyang mga different sections, no? Ayan si Lola. Ayun pang iba pang mga lola. Pwede naman bumalik mamaya. Gusto mo kainin mo muna yan, tapos magsubukan ka ng iba. Ayan, kakain na tayo. Ang dami na nilang mga kinuha.
Hindi ba daling nila? Joke lang alam ko naman.
Nasi-stress si Johnny ka sa'yo eh.
Hindi na kita kaubutan ni Jan.
Thank you. Ito na yung ID nyo. Ayan, so madami namang kakainan dito, left and right. So, meron ding food court dito, meron ding bilihan ng mga souvenirs. So, madami naman. Actually, mas madami na siya ngayon compared to last year. Ayan, oh. May Jollibee pa nga eh, of course. Tapos, bilihan ng mga pasalubong, meron din. Dito sa mga pasalubong, ayan, bumili si ate ng... Ano binili mo?
Oh, mango, banana, passion fruit. Tingnan natin kung saan.
Sige. Magkano naman siya?
Buy one, take one, 160.
160.
Ito siya.
Ayan.
Ayun o, 1.5 kito.
Kung wala namang priority pass or lounge key or yung mga Plaza Premium Pass card holders, actually madami namang mga upuan dito sa Cebu Airport. Madami din namang mga kainan. Ayan o. Yeah, dumating na kami sa Terminal 2. Eto. So, i-claim na lang yung bag. And then, finally, tapos na ang Cebu trip natin. Okay. So, next na ulit, which is in 2 days. Babalik ulit tayo ng Cebu. Samahan niyo ulit kami na magpunta ng Cebu. Maraming salamat nga pala sa lahat ng mga nanonood ng videos ng Traveling Lola. If you like our video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel to help our channel grow. You can also share our videos to your family and friends if they like food and travel videos, especially if they travel with senior citizens. Hello sa mga senior. Thank you. Till our next video. Bye-bye!